as an example, I'm going to do number 1. It's actually 2 problems. It says we're converting 1.75 ATM to kPa, and then a separate one converting it to millimeters of mercury. So for number 1, I have 1.7 ATM, and then I'm going to convert my ATM to kPa. Sorry, that's a lowercase k and a capital P. It just didn't look like that when I wrote it. So kPa. So all the conversions were in your notes. I believe they're also at the bottom of this worksheet if you scroll down. But if you want to have your notes up while you do this, just while you get used to the conversions, go ahead. But kPa is 101.325, and then ATM is 1. And then we're just solving that conversion. In my calculator, I get 177.318 kPa, but I have 3 sig figs in my given, which means I need 3 in my answer. So 1, 2, 3, the 3 keeps the 7 the same, so 177 kPa. That's what you see here in the answer. I put the answers in bold on this worksheet for you, so you do need to show work for every single problem. Next one, 1.75 ATM. Again, I'm converting it to millimeters of mercury, so ATM goes on the bottom to cancel, and then millimeters of mercury go on the top to cancel. Again, if you can look up that conversion in your notes, at least until you get the hang of it. I also think it's at the bottom of the worksheet. So for every 1 ATM, I have a 760 millimeters of mercury, so I'm going to put that in my calculator. And my calculator answer is 1330. I have 3 sig figs, which I also have 3 here, so that's great. My calculator answer already had 3 sig figs. Oops, I don't have to round anything. What am I? Millimeters of mercury. Great. If it said like hydrogen gas, you would have to write H2 after all of those units. But since it didn't tell you what the gas was, you don't have to write those units. So this is just practicing your conversions. In some cases, it's going to be a bunch of little short ones like this. In other cases, it might ask you to do a little more, like convert like 3 times, but we're really just practicing converting between units of pressure because you're going to have to do that a lot, and you should have all of those conversions memorized. However, you're going to use them so much that I don't think you have to put an effort to memorize them. If you want to make flashcards or something, go ahead. But again, you're going to use them so much that it probably won't take any extra effort to memorize. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions.